In a world hungry for clean energy, FBESS offers a revolutionary solution. So get ready to discover how we're transforming energy storage and distribution on a global scale. The main challenge of renewable energy is that solar and wind are intermittent, and generated energy is often wasted. So we need storage to bridge the supply and demand gaps, and land-based battery systems face space constraints, planning hurdles, and high build costs. The solution often touted for adding renewable energy to the mix is overland and undersea cables that are expensive, vulnerable to sabotage, and have high transmission losses. Enter FBESS, and an often overused, overhyped statement. Game changer, only this time it is. FBESS is a floating battery energy storage system built on a container ship platform, charging from wind and solar installations, capable of transporting clean energy anywhere in the world, or as a fixed platform discharging directly into existing grid infrastructure. Hyperscalable, starts at 50 megawatts, upwards to 50 gigawatts, acting as both fixed storage or a deliverable electric tanker. FBESS reduces land use and lengthy implementations of fixed cable projects. It's the future of clean, long-distance energy transmission, unlocking brand new markets. FBESS can be built using refitted or new purpose-built container ships, and because of the competitive container ship industry, can be very cost-effective for both new and refit solutions. FBESS provides increased energy security, diversified supply chains, and no more oil spills. FBESS can be used with a built-in HVDC substation for ship-to-shore new builds, or as the floating battery for an already cabled wind turbine install, or as part of a gas-to-electric solution that makes FBESS the equivalent of an electric tanker. FBESS can also be land-based, integrated via ports straight to land substations. Fully electric propulsion with optional solar plus wind generation on-deck energy harvesting, as zero batteries will be above the hold. FBESS will create a quicker global shift towards clean energy, enabling energy sharing from renewable resource-rich regions. FBESS creates a new energy industry, stimulating economies, reducing energy poverty, and increasing grid resilience. It will minimize localized environmental impact of energy infrastructure and will not steal your land. So why not invest in the future? For FBESS is the final piece of the renewable energy puzzle. It's an opportunity for clean, cheap energy for everyone. And if governments, utilities, and investors invest in FBESS, they will support a cleaner, more equitable world, creating a lot of jobs and reduce the cost of energy for everyone. FBESS isn't just about technology. It's about unlocking the potential for a truly sustainable future. Let's work together to power the world responsibly.